Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle not in today's newspaper on Monday, June the 13th, 2022. I told you earlier we have no extra puzzles today, no additional. No, it's the additional of Friday edition. Yes, the Friday edition, June the 10th, 2022. We have two puzzles left. Minute ago I've solved this letter Sudoku, and we have two puzzles left: the Two Stars Sudoku and the tectonic with one star. But let me continue with the Two Stars Sudoku, and this will be number 4693. 4693. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. I've already done this. This has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? And for two stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number has the most digits? A lot of eights. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have an 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8 in the second row. So no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the first column. So no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, only three places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see an 8 in the third row, so no 8 there. Here an 8 in the second row, so no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there, and all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. Wait. Okay. Then, how about, let me see. Which number can I pick? Yeah, I'm thinking. How about 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these two boxes. One box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Then. I'm thinking. 2 and 5. 2. Okay. 4. Interesting. 3. We have a 2 and a 1. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers in this column are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and look, we have 1 and 2 in this row. So no 1 and a 2 in this box. The 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2. So 1 digit left in this column for the number 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between, only place left for the 3 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. For one of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the second column, so no 6 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. 1, 1. All right. Let me see. 5, 5, 5, 5. 5, 2, 5, 2, 6. 3 missing numbers in this row. The middle row, those missing numbers in the middle row are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6. And look, we have a 6 in this big square. So no 6 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. So now the other two numbers are the 2 and the 5. The 2 and the 5 are missing. We have a 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Oh, wait. 5. But a 2. 9, 9. 2, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 7. We have a 9 and a 7 in this row, so no 9 and a 7 in these two boxes. The 9 and the 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 9 and a 7, 9 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, first column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this column, the third column. So no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in the first row, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this column, so no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1 in this row, so no 1 there. Here 1 in the last row, so no 1 there. Only place left for the 1 should be here, and all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. 1 box left in this row. For number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. We have a 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So the column between only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the last row, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 6. How about let me see. 8, 6, 7, 9. 9 and 4. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then 2, 4, 5. 7, 4. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Two missing numbers in this row. Four numbers: 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. This 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. One box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Then 9, 4, 5, 2, 2, 4. Two missing numbers in this column. For the missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in the second row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, only place left for the 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 4. Two missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2, the 5, 2, the 5. We have a 5 in the last column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. One box left in this column. For the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, third row. 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there, and all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 5. One box left in the second column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. All right. Okay. Need to blow my nose. Yes. All right. Two missing numbers in this third column for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in the third row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 7 in this row, first row. 7 in the third row, so the row will be 3 in the second row. The only place left for the 7 should be there. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 to 3, 2 to 3. We have a 3 in the first row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 to 6, 3 to 6. We have a 3 in the third row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Final two numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in the third row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well, 15 to 20 minutes. I've told you I need 15 to 20 minutes for 2 stars. So is this really a 2 stars? Well, let me give this 1 star. It's not a 2 stars. Because for 2 stars, I need 15 to 20 minutes. And I've solved this in 30 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. Just go below and find the link, the PDF link. If you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third and last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye bye for now.